Hello everyone, this is Cyril from the IT Bros. After you join a Windows computer to a domain, it may appear that you have lost the ability to sign into your local accounts. This is happening because by default, the Windows login screen user interface doesn't enumerate local users on domain-joined computers. In this video, we will review how to log into Windows using a local account rather than a domain account. So, let's start. By default, the Windows login screen on a domain-joined device shows the name of the last logged-in domain user. To log in as a different user, click Other User on the login screen and enter your credentials. If the domain is unavailable or if a computer is experiencing network problems, you will need to log in with an administrator account to diagnose and resolve the issue. Signing into a computer using a domain account with administrator privileges is not possible because the domain is unavailable. Therefore, you must log into your computer using a local account. On the sign-in screen of a domain-joined computer, entering any username prompts Windows to authenticate against an Active Directory account by default. How can you sign in with a local account in this case? Clicking the How do I sign into another domain button will show the host name of this computer. To log in with a local account, enter the computer's host name, followed by a backslash, then the local username. There is an easy trick to avoid having to type the computer name manually. Instead of typing the host name, just enter a dot, then a backslash, and finally a local username. In Windows, the dot character is a well-known alias symbol representing the local machine. If you frequently log into domain workstations using local accounts, configure the group policy to enumerate all enabled local users on the Windows sign-in screen. Open the Group Policy Editor and navigate to Computer Configuration, then to Administrative Templates, then to System, and then to Logon. Find the policy Enumerate Local Users on Domain-Joined Computers and change its state to Enabled. Run the pupdate force command to apply new group policy settings immediately. After enabling this GPO option, all local user accounts are displayed on the Windows sign-in screen. To sign in with a local account, click on its name and enter a password. Now you're done. Follow the link below to the IT Bros article for detailed explanations on logging in with local user credentials on domain-joined machines. Share your thoughts in the comments, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Stay tuned.